Little, see how pretty that is? So I'm in like a little gazebo right off the road, but then there's this little tiny gazebo and then this really pretty sunset. So I'm just gonna flip the phone back around and get my camera set up where my flashlight is, because of course I do this right when there's no sun. I brought my notes, guys, so I made little stick people to tell me what I'm supposed to do, because I don't have any clue. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the mountain pose, and it's holding the hands palm facing down and breathing. Some of these I'm going to consider transition poses, and I don't know if my palms are supposed to go up, I think. So this is the palm tree pose. So I'm going to do 4 breaths in this pose. We had a drive today to a family graduation party, and it was all outside. And then this is the upward salute side bend, so I'm just bending to the side, but then my hands go into prayer pose. So I guess keeping my head straight with my shoulders. I have a wide stance, I don't think I'm supposed to. My lats are super tight, so this area, so hopefully over time that will loosen up. So then I'm going to just go this way, so keeping my arms in line. I'm breathing into the lower part of my lungs, in through my nose, and then when I blow out, tucking my belly button back toward my spine. Okay, and then I did both sides that way, and then you go into goddess pose, and I didn't give myself notes how to get into this pose, so eventually I'll work on transition, but right now I'm just your feet are in a wide squat, your toes pointed out, so this will be awkward. Let's see if I can back this up a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. So your hands are up and your toes are pointed out. So this is called goddess pose. I don't know if I'll be able to go as low, so my arms should be straight up and down, and my hips should actually be like completely straight out, but it's not going to happen today. Try to keep my shoulders back though, conscious effort, but okay. And then I made myself some notes on the other side. So then going up into 5 pointed star, which is just your arms and your legs like a starfish, so your head is one point and both your arms. And this is just to get into, so I'm not doing 4 breaths here, but into triangle pose, the real triangle pose. So that's just reaching down and then looking up. So I did 4 breaths and then back into star pose, just 1 breath, and then down and looking up at the hand that's reaching up. So one more scan of this pretty, I'm just going to flip it around so I'm in a little gazebo right off of County G. There's my notes in my book. And then the pretty sunsets. I'm just kind of really slowly walking closer. Hopefully you can hear me. And I did my 5 yoga poses, a couple of transition poses, and this pretty sunset. Now you had a whole panoramic view. Have a great night, everyone. But I'm going to end. Since this is a short video, I did 5 yoga poses and a couple transition poses in a short amount of time. Have a great night and enjoy life, everyone.